You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more valuable content like this. Welcome to our in-depth review of the Jobspresso Freelancer platform. We've included helpful links to the platform itself and some supplementary resources in the description below, so be sure to check those out for a more comprehensive understanding. Let's explore what Jobspresso brings to the table and who can benefit most from its services. Jobspresso operates as a remote job board specifically designed for professionals seeking flexible, location-independent work. It concentrates on providing high-quality remote positions, catering particularly to freelancers specializing in tech, marketing, customer service, and content creation. A key strength of the platform lies in its meticulously curated job listings, guaranteeing users encounter genuine and pertinent opportunities. The employers featured on Jobspresso represent a diverse spectrum, from dynamic startups to well-established companies, with a significant focus on remote-first organizations. This makes it a perfect match for freelancers who prioritize the flexibility of working from anywhere. A notable aspect of Jobspresso is its clean, user-friendly interface, facilitating effortless browsing through categories such as tech, marketing, writing, and more. Users can refine their search using keywords, filter by full-time, part-time, or freelance opportunities, and even sort by specific remote locations. This granular control empowers freelancers to pinpoint jobs that precisely align with their skills and preferences. Further enhancing the user experience, the majority of job postings provide comprehensive details, encompassing salary ranges, work requirements, and company information, streamlining the application process and saving valuable time. Jobspresso also empowers users to create detailed profiles and upload resumes directly to the platform, increasing visibility and allowing potential employers to readily discover skilled talent. Additionally, freelancers can customize email alerts for specific job categories, ensuring they stay informed about relevant opportunities and never miss a promising prospect. While browsing Jobspresso is entirely free, creating a profile can significantly amplify your visibility and enhance your chances of securing a project or a long-term role. In summary, Jobspresso stands out as an exceptional platform for freelancers seeking reliable, well-paying remote opportunities within professional industries. Its curated job board, intuitive interface, and global reach make it a premier choice for professionals aiming to achieve a location-independent work lifestyle. Don't hesitate to explore Jobspresso using the links provided in the description below and take the first step towards advancing your freelance career today.